Greetings and welcome to and/or welcome back to my channel. This is going on my YouTube. So, join me as I replenish my miracle oil. I've had this for like 10 years. What you will need are calendriols. Interesting fact about this little sucker right here is it actually helps speed up the natural healing process of your skin. Hence why it's miracle oil. The other thing you will need is lavender. Now, you can use any type of carrying oil that's safe on the skin. This is actually a mixture of, I know this is going to sound weird, olive oil, tea tree oil, and vitamin E oil. I don't have that, but I did go out and get, well, my partner did, some olive oil. So, let's do this. Now, since this right here is going to go on the skin, again, make sure you're not allergic to this or anything like that. And if you have natural oily skin, you can actually add rosemary to this because rosemary will help balance out the oil glands. But literally, we're just going to add it here. Now, I've already talked to these herbs and already assigned them their job. But this right here, there's a reason it's called miracle oil because this stuff will literally speed the healing process up. If you have acne or anything like that, like a cat scratch or anything like that, clean it, of course, and then after it heals and everything like that, add this oil and it will speed up the healing process. So, let's go add a little bit more. Now, I'm not going to use all of this or all of these because I do have other plans for this calendula flower. But, amazing, amazing flower. Now, let's add the oil. Go. As you can see, the fresher herbs up here at the top. This right here is the old stuff. Now, we're just going to shake it. And voila. And now all you have to do with this is literally a lot goes a long way, or a little bit goes a long way. Put it on your hands. If you got dry, crackly feet, they fix it like that. And of course, you can add your own herbs, add rose petals if you want, but the main key to this is this right here. Miracle oil. So, yeah. Like I said, this right here, I've been replenishing it for about, I say 10 years, but I think it's actually been about 8. I use this stuff for everything. Even acne, it clears it up. Even if you have natural oily skin, add a tiny, tiny amount to it, and literally within overnight, it should start clearing up. So, yeah. Peace.